save me from this pain. Ah! Don't mess up my makeup. I think it did. That's what I have to do to put on my stockings. Hello, finally. Hello. Ow! So since I did the pansexual, prosexual? Anyway, since I did the pansexual flag, which I am wholeheartedly. For the longest as pansexual have existed, which is not that long, or maybe it has been. It just didn't have a word for it. It didn't have a word for it, I guess. I just know a lot of people think I'm not real, so I'm not real. Get off my video. I want to talk about 5 people. 5 people I'm attracted to as a pansexual. That means there's going to be multiple genders. So, unless, I don't know. Oh my god! This had no cap for the whole time. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 2 people that I kind of disqualified because they're too young for me. Okay, so the 2 disqualified are Chance Perdomo, which is a 22-year-old boy. 22 is kind of too young for me. Yeah, it's too young. I mean, yeah, over age, sure, over 18. No, thank you. I feel like 22. I don't know. I'm not saying no. I'm just saying no. He was Ambrose on Sabrina the Teenage Witch on Netflix. As a pansexual, I fall for characters and then prettiness after. And his prettiness, yeah, caught my attention, but the character, oh, yes, so free. And next on the same show is Prudence, which is Tati Gabrielle, and she's also too young, 22 as well. So yeah, the 2 that I'm attracted to, but then realized too young, and I'm like, no, I would like to find an older version of you. Okay, so first, which is the yellow of my face, as I've written here. Oh, yellow means sunshine. This is the sunshine part. Jason Momoa. Again, character before the looks, but the looks definitely helps so much. It's like happy, and he's like a grown boy, but not in a disgusting way. Not in a like, oh, won't pick up your pants when the hamper's right there. I have common sense, but still have a childlike manner. I'm still clean, and I still groom. And when he does groom, yes, I like him with the beard. But without the beard, it's also nice. But his character is always happy and exciting, and oh god, he loves his wife. I love that dedication he has to his wife. His wife could get it too. I feel like if there was like a man, he would be the man. Because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like he don't take the male ego seriously. That's just assumption. I just feel like he has so much confidence that he won't feel offended if he wore a dress. You know what I'm saying? What the hell did I write there? Poisonous orchid. I guess this is the pink side. The pink of the poisonous orchid, which is Tessa Thompson. It's the same thing with every one of these is about the confidence. I am attracted to confidence and then prettiness. Like, she's obviously pretty, whatever, but it's not the first thing I've seen. Or maybe it is. I don't know. She just, most of the characters she play or who she play or portray as, it's just confidence and sure of herself. Now, when I'm talking about confidence, I know not everyone is 100% confident and, you know, have faults. So take those into account. So maybe, yes, she's not perfect. No one is perfect. Not one person is perfect. But the ones I see, you know, there's a percentage. Oh, you're 85% confident. Maybe you will have your days. Or 75%. 65%. Below that, not sure. I am really attracted to confidence. Confidence feel a lot of things. I think it's why people fall for bad boys. And also jokesters, because jokesters know how to, give out whatever they're feeling in a joking way. And that kind of look confident. The same thing with bad boys. They attack in a way, but it looks confident because they say it out loud and no one else wants to. But yeah, we learned that over 28. So you may still be going through that when you're like 22, whatever. And yeah, there's still 40-year-olds that will fall for someone that's a bad boy, thinking that's confidence. It's not confidence. Far from it. But yeah, Tessa Thompson, I don't know. She seems like the ideal lesbian. Or is she bi? She's bi, right? She still seems like the ideal bi. Biracial and bi. I just want to squeeze her face. I like her head shape too. As an artist, drawing heads and body types, her head shape, I just like. What color is this? Big Boy Blue. I wrote this like 3 months ago. Big Boy Blue. The blue side of this. The Big Boy Blue is Robert Downey Jr., aka Robert Downey Jr. Obviously, I'm an Iron Man fan, and that's the first thing that made me get attracted to him. And then I seen his latest work, and he exudes confidence as well. Also had like a dark past, whatever. But look at him now. He kind of overachieved that and more confident in his skin. And yes, anyone could fall down from the top. But right now, his confidence, yes, it's like the only old man I'll fall for. Actually, there's a lot of old men I'll fall for. It doesn't matter. And the same thing with Tony Stark. I think I'm attracted to Tony Stark's white privilege. Something I would love to have. Rich white privilege. Just give it to me. Just give it to me. I don't want to be over anyone. I just want that opportunity to be equal. And that's what I'm attracted to. I'm not attracted to white privilege. I'm attracted to wanting it, keeping it, and exploring it, because I will never get it. It's like a fantasy thing, I'm attracted to that fantasy. Something I will never have in my life. And I know I won't. So it's nice to be like, oh, I wish I had that. Oh, give it to me. Baby Boy Blue. Oh, Baby Boy Blue. Oh, I can see why Robert Downey Jr. is Big Boy Blue. And Evan Peters is Baby Boy Blue because he looks like a little baby. Not a baby, but like baby face. And again, he's like the jokester in a way. Just adorable. Just adorable, want to pinch cheeks. And the characters he played, especially for American Horror Story, extremely attractive. And I've seen interviews with him, and oh my god, it's so new boy, kind of, not like young boy, but like, fresh kind of way. But next to him, next to Baby Boy Blue, I know I said 5, but this next to Baby Boy Blue, which is Wilson Dupe, which is like new. That's why I didn't really put him as himself. He's next to Baby Boy Blue, who plays M'Baku on Black Panther. I don't think I need to explain any more than that. I kind of don't want to talk about him. So the last one, where I have Mature Royalty, which is basically the pink side. Oh, I think Royalty is purple, but this isn't a family. So I have one yellow. Notice all these, all the guys are kind of like happy, smiley. And all the girls are kind of serious, because the one I'm mentioning, she's not really serious. She's just, it's Lucy Liu. She's the purple pink. And I'm attracted to Lucy Liu. I don't know why. All the characters she plays, yes. But, I don't know, she feels like a grown-up. She's a grown-up. She would be my dome, basically. I don't know, I feel like I'm putting too many generalizations on her, so I don't want to assume too many things. She could be either way. She could be switch. Who knows? I don't know. I just like her presence, and she seems royal. And I'm attracted to that, yeah. That's all my pansexual likes. It's less green. Oh my god. Thank you for watching my pansexual dreams. I'm sorry, I saw this. Yeah. Make myself crack up. Okay, what's your flag dreams? I mean, not everyone's pansexual. Hi, I'm about to say, have your debates about bisexual not being real or pansexual not being real. Go ahead, whatever. I don't care. I just know pansexual is real for me, and it's going to be something I'll describe myself as. I wish I'd had more. I don't know. I wish I had more. Like, it would be nice if I had like a trans person to be attracted to. I swear I did. No, that's like too obvious. Like, no, there's hardly any trans actors, so it's like hard to put in. Tell me if you're attracted with confidence. I feel like it's something that no one really check on. They'd be like, yeah, I'm attracted to this or that or that, and not sure why. Maybe it's also confidence. Confidence in yourself, not like 100% pure confidence, but enough to take care of yourself. The people that check on people's phones and or say where you going with that or where with that, like, no, it's over. No more. Okay, I love you. Bye bye. Is that how I? Bye bye.